What is up, Fragrance family? This is your boy Armin, and this is my co-host.
Terence.
Welcome back again dito sa Amoy
Piranyan!
I'm so excited to review this fragrance with Boss Terence. So for today's episode, syempre, ang re-review natin na pabango, this is from the brand of...
Sospiro.
Yes, this is
Vibrato.
Alright, vibrato. So sa mga nakakaalam ng vibrato, this is a very hot topic fragrance. Matagal-tagal na nagkaroon to ng parang big topic and also controversial topic. Why? For today's episode, we're going to review this is Italy batch ng Sospiro Vibrato. And we will tell you our honest opinion. And I know, maraming mag-hate sa amin. Maybe nagsisinungaling kami or maybe totoo ba talaga yung sinasabi namin. Okay? So, Boss Terence, can you tell what's your experience about Vibrato?
Well, guys, hindi na bago tong vibrato eh.
Mm.
Pero lately nga, lumabas na, kung kilala niyo si Paring G, na ito yung parang isa sa pabango niya, no? So parang napag-usapan ulit siya sa mga forums.
Yeah.
And sa totoo lang naman, kasi alam namin na many frag enthusiasts, parang isa to sa mga parang goal nila na gusto nilang ma-own na pabango.
Yeah.
For a reason, because it's really something na bagay sa panahon natin dito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Now, yung story namin dito, dati kasi, bakit ko nabili ang vibrato, no? I was in search of, it stemmed from the frustration na parang wala akong mahanap na freshy fragrance dati na tumatagal talaga at nagpro-project ng malakas. So, at that time, I came across vibrato.
Yeah.
Ako naman, dali-dali akong bumili.
Mm.
Eh, alam mo naman, di naman ako kasing galing ni Armin. Eh, ito si Armin, lahat, ini-inspectionan eh. Yung puwet ng pabango, yung box, kung kailan na manufacture, anong batch. Eh, wala naman tayong panahon para, alam mo yun, intindihin yun.
Intindihin yun, yeah.
So, bumili ako at that time. Tapos, sprinnery ko, bango naman, yeah. Pero guys, ito, again, experience ko lang,
Yeah.
hindi siya tumagal eh. On skin, wala pang isang oras, sobrang hindi ko na maamoy. Sa shirt ko, in the second hour, parang ang hina na niya. So, nung time na yun, the first person na tinawagan ko is, syempre, si Armin.
Yeah.
Siya yung consultant ko pagdating sa pabango. Sabi ko, Armin, ba't ganyan? Ganun. Sabi niya, Sir Terence, anong batch yan? Sabi ko, anong batch yan? Anong batch yung pinagtatanong mo? So, pinaliwanag niya na parang, sabi ko, I was ranting eh. Armin, ba't ganun? Online, sinasabi nila, sobrang performing, sobrang long-lasting. Pero bakit iba sa wearing experience ko? Sabi niya, Sir Terence, kasi minsan nag-vary sa batches yan eh, or saan nagawa. So, true enough. Anyway, sobrang bitter ko nung time na yon. Hindi ko pinatagal. 1 week lang parang I decided to sell the bottle na.
The bottle.
Nalungkot talaga ako.
Anong version yun?
It's made in France.
Made in France version.
Ngayon kung anong batch number, ganun, wala na akong reference. I'm sorry. But it's made in France. No? Now, nung huli, parang heartbroken talaga eh. Kasi
Nalungkot siya nun eh.
nagustuhan ko yung scent DNA eh. So, fast forward, ito naman si Mr. Budol. Biglang, Sir Terence, message mo si Sydney. Si Sydney may 3 bottles ng Made in Italy batch.
Oo.
Sabi mo, Made in Italy. Baka yan yung hinahanap mo, yung mas malakas. Yung gano'n. Kaya ako naman parang, anong pinagsasabi nito? Ang hirap paniwalaan.
Oo nga eh.
Pero sige, sabi ko, sumugal ulit ako. Kinontak ko si Sydney to make the long story short. Parang nabenta niya na yata yung 2 bottles niya. I forgot eh. Parang last 1 bottle. Sabi ko, ay, meant to be. Sige, binili ko. Guys, no spin ray ko. Night and day difference dun sa previous bottle na na-own ko. Grabe, ang lakas ng projection.
Oo.
It lasted long sa skin ko, sa shirt ko. And immediately, syempre, sino pa ba tatawagin ko? Hindi si Amoy Piranyan. Alika rito, magkita tayo. Amoyin mo to.
Amoyin mo to.
So, ito naman, nung nagkita tayo, di ba, parang ni-request mo na i-full wear mo.
Oo, i-full wear ko to. I-full wear ko.
Tapos, Parang the following day yata, nag-usap tayo. Oh, Armin, kumusta yung Italy batch? Sir Terence, grabe! ganun, ganun yung reaction niya. So parang na-realize ko talaga, sabi ko sa'yo iba yung sa Italy, ganun. Pero guys, kaya nasabi ni Armin na baka mabash kami.
Oo.
Kasi there's an online debate because some people are insisting that the France batch wala namang problema and it's parang same lang sa Italy.
Oo.
Okay, so I'm not here to question yung experience nila. Baka minalas lang ako. I mean,
Oo.
baka naman sa mga ginawa sa France, may mga certain batches talaga na mas mahina.
Yeah.
I'm not saying lahat. I'm not invalidating your experiences. I'm just sharing my experiences. Na taon, nandun ako doon sa crowd na, na nag-complain doon sa France
Yeah.
batch. Pero ngayon, I'm blessed to have this battle.
Italy batch,
And
yeah.
I enjoy it so much.
Yun nga eh.
Armin,
For me kasi, dyan pumapasok yung lagi kong sinasabi sa mga audiences ko, Boss Terence, at sinasabi ko kay Boss Terence to, pagdating sa designer and niche fragrances, huwag niyong papalipasin lumagpas ng 2 years or 3 years, dun ka palang bibili ng pabango. Patulan mo na. Let's say, for example, kung kailan nag-release ang Sospiro Vibrato, the first 2 years, bumili ka na. Pag-ipunan mo na if you really love the scent. Pero if hindi mo nabili, papakialaman yan ng IFRA organization and they're going to reformulate every fragrance na nakikita nila na sumisikat, magre-reform yan. Sure ball yan. Sure ball yan. Sasabihin nila parang long-lasting, sobrang parang ang lakas, maybe the percentage of the grapefruit that they put on this one plus the ginger is very amped up version. Lumagpas na sila dun sa percentage ng IFRA regulated. Nilagpasan na nila yon. That's why nire-reformulate. So, alam nyo na ano dapat gawin nyo. Do your research before you buy. Huwag kayong madadala lagi sa hype, designer or niche. Do your research first. Lahat ng designer and ng niche fragrances, always they reformulate after 2 to 3 years. Okay? Pero, grabe. Beast mode sa beast
Armin,
mode. Wow.
for those who don't know, ano ba ang scent profile ng Vibrato?
Ang Vibrato kasi, it's a very sparkling grapefruit with ginger. Yan yung parang may pagka-musky din siya. It's a very parang, sorry, it's a very shower gel type of a scent.
Actually,
But more on grapefruit and ginger siya.
for those who don't know, no, hindi naman actually very popular yung ganong DNA.
Mm-mm.
It kind of reminds me of Imagination.
Oo nga, may pagkaganon
It kind of
DNA siya.
reminds me of Bulgari
Bulgari
Tiger.
Tiger, yeah.
It reminds me of LV
Lemensity.
So, popular talaga yung yung grapefruit, ginger, lalo na pag mainit yung panahon.
Oo nga
Very fizzy, very uplifting.
Ang
siya.
sarap eh. May pagka parang Sprite din to eh.
Now,
diba?
ang question ng mga tao, so what differentiates this among sa mga nabanggit natin pabango?
Actually, what makes this scent differentiate and unique is the citrus note well done right. If you are a person, you are a collector, for sure alam nyo to, hindi lahat ng citrusy scents nagpo-project sobrang matagal ang longevity or beast mode. But thanks to the molecular notes nito na nilagay nila dito sa Sospiro Vibrato, that if you are complaining about citrusy scent, gusto mong tumagal talaga yung pabango mo for the entire 8 plus hours, 10 plus hours, this is it. This is it. But if you really love parang citrusy fragrance na hindi, parang soft lang, sakto lang, then this is not for you. This is for those beast mode lovers out there. You love those DNAs na binanggit ni Boss Terence. You love that one. I think this is one of the best scents created until now. Panalo.
Again, kaya ko ito binili. It was, at that time, I was really in search for a freshy citrus fragrance that will last and will perform.
Oo.
Kasi yung, dati kasi, bumili ako ng decant ng Tiger.
Mm-mm.
Although, kung i-compare ko head-to-head, ito with Tiger,
Yeah.
in my opinion, Tiger smells more natural.
Iba yung atake ng Tiger eh. Oh,
Smells more organic. This smells more
airy.
synthetic.
Synthetic,
Sorry
but airy.
But, yung pagka-synthetic niya, na-address niya yung issue ng longevity, projection, and performance. Okay.
Which people loves it.
Yes.
Yan yung mas prefer nila eh.
Pero, hindi siya rin ganun kamura eh.
Mahal siya eh.
So, Armin, anong i-recommend mo sa mga viewers natin kung gusto nila tong DNA na to?
Actually, for recommendation, we have two recommendations for you guys. One is Afnan Turati Blue, one of our favorite scents of all time. Para siya nasa genre ng Bulgari Tiger, Sospiro Vibrato, Louis Vuitton L'Immensité. That's because of ginger and grapefruit note. Meron pa isa pa. If you cannot afford Afnan Turati Blue, which is super duper long lasting, this is Le Infinite Jacques Yves L'Immensité na may pagka-tiger and vibrato because of the grapefruit and ginger combination. So, this is our best recommendation. Mas super long-lasting si Afnan Turati Blue. Okay? Pero for sure, maraming haters yan ng Afnan Turati Blue. If you are that type of a guy, gusto mo lang parang DNA ng vibrato, L'Immensité, and tiger, you go none other than Le Infinite Jacques Yves. But if you love Beast Mode, syempre, Turati Blue.
Or ako, I have a different take eh.
Yeah.
For me, kung identical pag-uusapan,
Mm-hmm.
mas identical for me ang Turati Blue dito. Sa
Okay.
totoo lang my take on this, sa hangin, walang makakaalam na, pwede ka sa mga familiar sa DNA nito, pwede mo na silang lokohin na nakabibrato ka.
Yun nga eh.
Pero dito, just to make it clear, dito sa Jacques Yves, this is more on LV L'Immensité.
Yeah.
So although yun nga, parang ginger and grapefruit bomb din siya, may barbershop.
May shaving foam ka lang maaamoy dito na wala dito.
So I would say that this leans more masculine eh.
Yeah.
Pero ito medyo mas pwedeng interchangeable eh, unisex eh.
Yeah.
Akin lang yan
Parang bagets eh. Very bagets eh. Very young feel eh.
So guys, ito, okay na to. Kahit hindi nyo bilhin to. I think both of these are good alternatives.
Yeah, very good alternatives. So yun lang yung masasabi namin about this scent. This one, 6 to 8 hours longevity. This one, more than 10 hours. Grabe to. Grabe, promise.
And guys, I think now is the best time to buy this kasi naalala mo nung bago pa to, magkano bentahan nito? Between 2 to 3K.
Oo nga, mahal nga eh. Ngayon, mura na siya.
Ngayon, mura na siya. So, hindi...
Bagsak presyo na siya.
So, I think it's the right time to buy this.
Yeah. So, yun lang yung masasabi namin about our honest opinion. So, let us know in the comment section kung what is your experience sa Sospiro Vibrato France batch or Italy batch. Do you have the same experience as Boss Terence and me as well? Or malakas ba ang French batch? Maybe different on skin or maybe different batches ang mga lumabas sa mga France batch? Or you prefer Italy batch?
Or you prefer Turati Blue.
Or you prefer Le Infinite by Jacques Yves. Okay? Yun lang yung masasabi namin. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo tong review namin. In-depth review about this scents. And till next time, Fragrance Family. Nothing else to say, Boss Terence? Love you all. Till next time, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Love ya.